Welcome to Calhoun, Georgia. Calhoun lies in the valley that was once the heart of the Cherokee Nation and the site of the major Civil War from 1861 to 65. It is the center of the Northwest Georgia's textile industry today.
We're driving through downtown Calhoun. We're gonna find a restaurant to eat, maybe look through some of the antique shops.
We are strolling the downtown and we are checking out all the local places, and then we're gonna have a bite to eat. We're gonna look at some garden shops, we're gonna look at some clothing shops and health shops. They have a random but very good variety of shops here in Calhoun, and we're gonna stop in and visit a couple of them just to see what it's about and have a bite to eat. You can tour the Roland Highs Museum and galleries at the Harris Art Center, or you can even go to Calhoun's restored Gem Theater and marvel at the beauty of the Folk Art Garden. If you're trying to make your way over to Calhoun, Calhoun is conveniently located between Atlanta and Chattanooga with 6 exits into Gordon County.
I ended up buying this bird bath. It's so pretty. I thought it was pretty.
Cheese pizza.
Chloe, what do you want to get?
Cheese pizza.
Since it was unanimous, we got a cheese pizza and some soda to sit down and relax and to enjoy together. It was a nice place to just sort of chill in the downtown before heading out to play some games.
This place is cool.
After having a bite to eat, we went out to explore Calhoun a little bit more. Wanted to stop into some shops and just see what they had to offer here in this downtown. Calhoun has a ton of history. There's also a lot of adventure. You can step back 150 years into the battles and see where the Trail of Tears officially began. Or you can paddle lakes and rivers or hike scenic trails or even tour a local farm. There's outlets and souvenirs, and it's a really cool place to just explore. Whenever we adventure around through a town, we love to visit the downtowns just for the history and architecture. Thanks for visiting with us. We hope you'll hit subscribe and join the adventures. Hitting like and sharing with others helps us out a lot with the algorithm, and we appreciate it. See you next time.